Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how we can integrate Terraform with AWS. As you know, Terraform is an open source tool which is used to automate the infrastructure creation. But even though we have native tools in the cloud, but why majority of the companies showing interest towards using of Terraform? Because of the features. Even though it is a third-party tool, it is going to provide n number of possibilities like advanced features in order to automate our infrastructure creation. As I told you earlier, if I am using the Terraform, I can be used anywhere. Means I can be able to create the infrastructure for on-premises. At the same time, I can be able to create the infrastructure for the cloud services as well. And what are the different types of services which can be provided by the Terraform? Like I can be able to provision the infrastructure. Like I can be able to create the multiple services over the AWS, and it is going to make the complex deployments easier. Means if I have to create the complex environment, even though it is a complex environment, by using the Terraform, it makes easier, and it is going to provide the security. So because of these features offered by the Terraform, the majority of the companies are showing interest towards use of the Terraform, and it is the demanding tool. Okay, so here in this video, what we can learn? We are going to learn how we can integrate the Terraform with AWS. Just quickly, I'm going to log on into the AWS console. I'm going to show the step-by-step procedure. Here, I'm going to log on AWS. Just click on the thing. So it is going to redirect into the page. I just need to click on sign into the console. And as I already made login earlier, so that's why without asking the credentials, it is going to log on directly. So simply click on EC2 instance. Just check whether I have any EC2 servers which is running on my account or not. Right now I'm in the Northern Virginia region. Right now there is no EC2 servers which are running. So click on the instances, click on launch. Here I'm going to create EC2 server, and I'm going to set the name as Terraform server. And as usual, I'm going to select Amazon Linux 2 because of it is free tier eligible, and just come down. It is loading. So as usual, I'm going to select the t2.micro instance underscore type. Here, while creating this, just please remember, here I'm going to select the name. At the same time, I'm going to select the image, and then after that, I had selected instance type and key pair as I had already created. Just I'm going to select the same, and I'm going to select the security group as I had existing security group, that is allow all traffic. And without doing anything, just click on launch instance. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to create one IAM user. Here, why IAM user is required? Because of if I want to provide the permission to the Terraform to create the resource over AWS, I need to provide some kind of permission. Because of without having the permission, how I can be able to create the infrastructure over AWS? It is not at all possible. So that's why I'm going to create IAM user. Just click here on AWS, log on to IAM console. Here we can be able, as you know, in IAM I can be able to create the two types of user. For one user I can be able to create the console access, and another is programmatic access. So here there are no users currently created. I'm just click on the users, click on create user, and the username is Terraform user, means Terraform tool. You can mention like that Terraform underscore tool. And I'm not going to provide here console access because of I just want to use this for to integrate the third-party tool Terraform with AWS. So that's why I'm going to provide the programmatic access. Just click on next, and here I'm going to attach the policies. What policy I'm going to attach? Here I'm going to provide the administrator access. Means from Terraform tool I can be able to do anything on my account. Just click on next. Here create user. The once user has been created, just click on the user, and you have the security credentials tab. just go there and create access keys. And for which purpose you are going to use, it is asking you provide some kind of list of things. From this list of things you just need to select for which purpose you are using. Here I am going to use in order to integrate the third party service, so that's why I am going to select the third party service or application. Just click on next. Here you just need to click it. Click on next. Description, it's your wish, it's optional, and download the CSV file. And here I'm going to show to you, this is the secret key. Hide. So here just check whether the EC2 server has been successfully created or not. Obviously it will be created. And go to instances, just check the Terraform server has been created or not, and successfully the Terraform server has been successfully created and it is in the running state. Just click here and click on connect, and from console only I'm going to connect to the EC2 server, that is nothing but a Terraform server. So what is the command which I'm going to use in order to log in as a root user? Sudo -i. So just wait a moment, it is going to establish the connection. Sudo -i. I just made login as a root user. Just type ll. Do you have anything? No. So right now I had created one EC2 server in the AWS, and if you want to run the Terraform on local machine, that is also possible here. But instead of doing that, because of I am using Windows 10 machine, so that's why Windows 11 machine. So that's why instead of running the Terraform script my local machine, what I had done, I had created the EC2 server Linux machine on the AWS. And what are the advantage I get when I create the server on the AWS? Here I am not getting any advantage. I'm just simply showing it out to you. Here I am not the AWS CLI version is not at all installed, and it is not recorded because of it is the server which I had created in the AWS service only. So that's why the AWS CLI it is not necessary to install. And what I will do, I need to integrate. So for that, what I need to do, AWS configure, enter. It is asking you to enter the AWS access key. So where my access key is, here my access key, simply go here and paste here, enter. It is asking me secret key. Where is my secret key? Here only, just copy here, come here and paste here, enter. And it is asking me to enter the region. Right now, in which region I want? I am in the Northern Virginia region. If you click here, you will be able to see US-East-1. The same thing I need to mention here, US-East-1, enter. And default output format, here you can mention either JSON or table. Here I am going to mention table, enter. Right now I had been successfully integrated the Terraform with the AWS. Here if you want to check the Terraform version, Terraform -version. If I execute this command, it will show, will it show the Terraform version? Is it yes or no? No, because of I didn't install the Terraform. If I press here, it didn't show nothing. Is it showing anything? Nothing, because of as I didn't install Terraform. Because of that reason, it didn't show any kind of version. So what I need to do, if I want to install the Terraform, simply go to the browser, install Terraform, enter. Just click on the first thing which it is open and come down, and here it is asking you the certain things. Just come down, and here you will be able to find where you can be able. So here it is asking you manual installation or Linux. So I am going to select the Linux. So which Linux you are using? Right, currently I am using Amazon Linux. So that's why you need to select the Amazon Linux. Copy the commands which here it is showing and go here and paste, enter. How many commands you have right now? Here it is going to show 3 commands. those three commands you should need to execute on the mission which you had created over the AWS. Okay, come here, select here and paste here. It is going to install the Terraform on your mission which you had created over the AWS. You had created the Amazon Linux mission in AWS. Okay, right now I had been successfully installed the Terraform on my mission. So if you want to check the same, Terraform hyphen version, it is going to reflect the version. Which version you are using? 1.10.5. Is it showing or not? Yes, obviously it is showing. So here, if you want to check whether you have, if you want to check the credentials by using the which credentials you had configured or which access key. So how you will be able to check? Simply ls space -al. It is used. It is a command in the Linux which is used to list out the hidden things. So here, are you able to see the .aws? So it is a directory cd .aws. Enter. Simply type ls to list the things. What we have? Config credentials. Cat. It is both are files only. Cat config. What we have the config? The region is US East-1 and the output format is table. Just open the credentials. It is the access key. It is the secret key. So it is reflecting or not. If you want to change here, you just need to edit it. By editing this file, it will be replicated. Hope you guys understood. Okay. In this way, we can be able to integrate the third-party tool like the Terraform with the AWS. It is not only for the Terraform tool. Any type of tool we can be integrated with the AWS in this way only. Hope you guys understood. Okay. So with this session, I'm done. And in the next session, we are going to discuss how we can be able to create the infrastructure with the help of the Terraform script. Okay. In the upcoming session, we are going to discuss on the same. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining into my session. And please subscribe my channel. And at the same time, hit the bell icon as well. If you have any queries, just ping me on the comment. Okay. Thank you guys. I will get back to you with the next session with a new topic. Until signing off, thank you. Bye bye.